This is our financial statement builder. It gives you real-time drillable access with Oracle eBusiness Suite and near real-time for Oracle Fusion Cloud. And that data goes straight into Excel. You will be able to, along with the ability to drill down into detail, you can refresh the entire financial package just with a simple click of the button. There's lots of different features you'll see down there in the bottom right, ranging from bursting out your reports by segments and distributing your reports to others as well. That basically means you don't have to be sat at your desk to get people the data that they require. If it is month end, quarter end, year end, we can make sure the appropriate people get the right data without you having to work late nights as well. So in terms of the secure data, we leverage, oh, sorry, could you pop back, Julian?
I was a bit previous, was I?
You're a bit keen. You're getting bored of me rambling.
No, it's a good, interesting stuff.
We leverage the existing eBiz and cloud security. So that's important, as I alluded to earlier, making sure that the right people have access to the right information that they are allowed to have. So we honor the security within the Oracle setup already. Down there, we've just got a pic of a few different companies showing the eclectic nature of our customer portfolio as well. Okay, thanks, Julian. So focusing on hierarchies that will evolve your business as well. And this is really ultimately how you can benefit from custom hierarchies. And we've come up with a few different ones. Maybe you come up with a few more depending on your situation.